Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to book 2. Congratulations on completing book 1. Now in book 1 you learnt all of the Arabic alphabets, alif right through to ya, and you also learnt how to remember alif to ya when they are all mixed up, right? So in book 2 we are going and moving on to something even more exciting. So your book 2 is your book where you will start learning how to know each Arabic alphabets when they are combined, when they are in a word. Now, the reason for that is our Quran is all made up of Arabic letters that are made into words and then made into sentences, right? So when you look at the Quran, you can see some letters are not joined and you can find them. For example, I could see dal and mim, but some letters are combined, and then I'll be wondering, what are these letters? That's the whole point of book 2. We are going to learn how does this Arabic alphabets look like when they are joined together. Alright, so we are now going to go into the pages of book 2. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are now at page 2. And again, let's go through the Arabic alphabets in page 2. And as usual, I've got my pointer. And this pointer is really quite important to have, so you will stay on each alphabet as you are saying it. Okay, here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, zay, sin, shin, sad, dot, to, zo, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, nun, waw, ha, hamza, ya. I'm sure you still remember the Arabic alphabet song. Are we ready? Let's go together with me. 1, 2, 3. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, zay, sin, shin, sad, dot, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, nun, waw, ha, hamza, ya. That's it. Let's start looking at book 2. We have learned to identify all of the Arabic alphabets in book 1, but Arabic, as I said, is always written in running writing. So in this chapter, we are going to learn the Arabic alphabets when they are joined together. The alphabets can look quite different in their singular form. Now, the first few letters we are going to learn are called the shy letters. Why are they called the shy letters? Well, they are known as the shy letters because these letters will not join with other letters, but other letters can join with them. So they'll not really make friends with others, but others can be friends with them. They will always need someone in front of them. And they can retain their shape when joined with others. So there are 6 shy letters. So what are they? Alif, dal, zal, ra, zay, waw. Now have a look at the shapes. Dal and zal looks very similar. The only difference is a dot on top of zal. Ra and zay are again very similar, and the only difference is the dot on top. And then wow is quite similar as well with the slide, just like Ra and Zai. Now, these letters, when they are in the front, they stand alone, but when there are other letters in front of them, they are joined together. Let's have a look. Now, in page 4, you could look at alif. When it's combined with lam, alif and lam has got a special relationship. They have a different shape when they are together. So look at this. Lam, alif. The alif goes slanting. And then you've got lam, and then alif. Again, the alif is slanting. And you've got another letter here. It's almost a boat with one dot at the bottom. And alif. See? When alif is combined at the end, when there's a friend, another letter in front, it can combine. So you've got, let's read it together. Alif, lam alif, lam alif, ba alif. Well done. All right. Now let's look at dal. See? This is again ba combined with dal. Because ba is in front, dal has now got a friend to join in with, so ba dal. Sin dal. Dal, because it's in front now, can it join with the next letter? No, it's too shy to do that. So it stands alone. It does not join in with the letter next to it, even though it is one word. So how do we do this? Dal. We'll soon learn this is nun, ya, and alif. Well done. Let's go again. Dal, nun, ya, alif. Good job. Next one here, ya, dal. Alright, let's go through the second line again. Dal, ba dal, sin dal, dal, nun, ya, alif, ya, dal. Good job. And remember, dal and dhal are similar. The only difference is the dot on dhal. So here we go. People often get confused. Oh, is this an alif? No, it's not. Alif is a shy letter. It will not join in front. So this must be lam. Lam dhal. Look, these are both shy letters. So what happens? They don't join in with each other. They just stand apart. Dhal, ro. Ba, dhal. Let's look at this. Lam, dhal, ya, dhal. Good job. Let's go again. Line 3. Dhal, lam dhal, dhal ro, ba dhal, lam dhal, ya dhal. There we go. 3 lines. 3 of the shy letters. 3 more to go. So what's the next shy letter? Ra. So we've got ba, ro. 2 shy letters. They're not going to join. Ro, dal. Ha, ro, tha. Sin, ro, ya, ro. Let's Let's go again. Ro. Ba, ro. Ro, dal. Ha, ro, tha. Sin, ro, ya, ro. Next line. Similar to ro is zay. The only difference is, that's it, the dot on top. Zay, ro. Ta, zay. Ha, zay, ba. Nun, zay, dal. Let's go through again. Zay. Zay, ro. Ta, zay. Ha, zay, ba. Nun, zay, dal. Lucky last. Wow. Two shy letters. What are they? Wow. Alif. Mim, nun, wow. Nun, wow, ro. Ba, wow, nun. Here we go again. Wow. Wow, alif. Mim, nun, wow. Nun, wow, ro. Ba, wow, nun. Well done. That's the end of page 4. Now, we will play a game just with the letters on page 4. I am going to ask you to find some of the letters, and you've got to try and see if you can search for all of them. Now, it's really handy to just have a pencil, not a pen, so you can erase it later. So, we are going to look now for all the letters of alif. We are going to find alif. So, how is alif? It's a line, right? From the top to the bottom, a straight line. But when it's with lam, remember? That's alif. That's alif. Go slanting. And then that's alif. Now, let me see. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I find alifs on the other lines? I see 1. Is this alif? No, it's not. Why? Because alif is a shy letter. It will only join at the end, not in the beginning. That's not alif. This is lam. So we've got to look and look and look, and I found 1 more. I've got 6. Now, let's look for ro. Shall we look for ro? Which one is ro? It's like a slide. Ro. So, let's look. Obviously, on this line there will be rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I wonder, in the other lines, are there rows? Shall we look? I found 1. I found another. And I found another. 9 rows. So, I want you to play this game. I want you to go through all of the shy letters and try and find them and circle them. Okay? Give it a go. Inshallah, you can find all of them.